Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Cancers, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Cancers. If you like this reading and if it resonates, guys, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, Cancers. So these cards are for your general energies. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career circumstance, Cancers. And today we'll be picking one card for your moon energies, guys. This is the card and this is for your love guidance. So let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies, guys. So we have Ace of Stars in reverse, Eight of Suns and Ace of Suns. So in your circumstances today, guys, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are someone really committed whatever choices you make, guys. You simply try to do your best, give your attention to that, using your skills and talents. So you try really hard to succeed in whatever you take up seriously, maybe in your work situation, whatever decisions you make. You try to stand by those choices you make, guys. And maybe today, though you are trying really hard, working really hard, making those efforts, you see yourself in some difficulty. You feel that maybe you have made the wrong choice. And you are angry for having made that choice and you feel really scared because all that efforts you have put in, all that pain you have gone through for this may go for a waste if you do not see the good results today, guys. Cancer. So you are worried about the way things are going. Same way in this relationship also. You are trying to have a good, proper relationship with this person, expecting some good things in this connection, maybe. But what you see may be something quite worrying you. Maybe this person is not someone, who matches your expectation. Maybe, guys, for some of you. For some of you, you are wishing to have a family, maybe start a family, have a child together. But this person may not like it. Your person may not like it. For some of you, it is happening, guys. But for some of you, things are going in a different way. And maybe the way they see your situation may be something you do not see for yourself. And things are happening very quickly, maybe unfolding in a quick way. Some kind of your situation is gaining momentum. Maybe there is some kind of a pressure, something pushing you to make some choice. It may be because of your work pressure. Maybe you're moving to a different place. You want a concrete answer from this person, whether they want to be with you, whether they want to be committed with you in a long distance relationship. So there is some kind of a timeline you need to decide on, guys. But for most of you Cancers, I see you are going to be lucky. This person will accept your proposal. Maybe they are interested in you a lot and they can never give you up no matter what. So they may think of you as the person for them and they may never give up on this love. So even though it is a long distance relationship you are talking about. They want you and they want only you. So let's see what is the card for your relationship, guys. We picked one card and it is Neophyte of Moons in reverse. So with this card, it just means that in your circumstances, maybe someone is there, someone quite envious of you, and they are trying to create problems in this relationship, create a rift in this connection, guys. So you must be really careful with this person. Maybe if you know who it is, it may be someone, a common friend maybe, or some family member. Whoever it is, you must handle the situation in a more diplomatic way, just acting like you are listening to them, but you should know what will be your decisions, and you should not reveal anything to this person because they are not to be trusted, guys, Cancers. So you must be careful with this person. They are quite envious and they are very jealous of you, guys. This person is, and they are trying to ruin this relationship, Cancers. So for your career circumstances, we have 3 of Moons in reverse. So with this card in your work situation, guys, it just means that maybe there may be some obstacles, something not going in the right way. Maybe you need to be careful. Maybe there are chances for you to decide something wrongly, make some mistakes. That may be the reason for things going in a negative way today, guys, Cancers. So you must be really careful if you are making some important decisions in your work situation. So for your moon energies, Cancers, we have nothing is yet set in stone. So in your circumstances today, maybe the circumstances you are thinking about, you feel that there is, or you are expecting something being finalized, but you need to understand that nothing has come out in a concrete way, guys. So you can still influence the changes you want to see in your circumstances. So you have that power, you have that talents to change the way things are going to go. But if you feel that you are unable to change the situation and situation is simply beyond your control, you need to have that acceptance, adapt to the way things are going today, because that is what is going to make you really successful. And you must avoid distractions. So if it is you're asking something in this relationship, guys, you can influence the change, guys, you expect. Or if you feel happy about the way things are going, simply everything is going in the right way, guys. If not, you can try your best to make those changes come in your future in this circumstance. So for your love guidance, Cancers, we have priorities. So it just means that what are the most important things for you in your life today. So you need to go for that. What gives you the purpose of your life, or what you truly want, or what makes you truly happy. That is what you need to prioritize today. And love should be your guide in that, guys. So today you need to listen to your heart. But our life is often filled with a lot of distractions, and ego can be very fragile and petty. So being egoistic is not going to help us in any way. So you must listen to your heart, truly truly tune yourself to what you really want to do today, what you really feel passionate about. You must go for that. So, you must avoid all diversions and distractions. So, when you prioritize what you want and what will be the future for you, your decisions are going to be really easy, guys, and you will know the right choices today, Cancers. What will be the right choice in your life if you are able to prioritize? Find out what is the most important thing in your life today, Cancers. So, that is the reading for you all, guys, today. Thank you for watching, Cancers. If you like this reading, if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.